Name the safety and health precautions to be observed in operating a dope room, including storage of material. The dope room should be well lighted and ventilated using spark-proof motors, lights, and switches. All flammable material should be stored in fireproof containers. Metal partitions and fireproof doors should isolate dope and paint rooms. What type of tests can be performed to identify existing paint finishes? Oil, softened nitrocellulose, MEC affects acrylic finish but not epoxy coat. What causes blushing when applying dope or lacquer, and how can it be prevented? Blushing appears with high humidity, may be eliminated by heating the room. What is the purpose of using fungicidal dope when finishing aircraft fabric? To prevent microbiological deterioration of the fabric. What are the identification marking requirements for United States registered fixed-wing aircraft? Letter N followed by the registration number on both sides of the fuselage or vertical tail surfaces. What are 3 types of dope used for aircraft finishes? Pigmented, semi-pigmented and clear. What would happen if dope were used over paint or enamel? It will lift and remove such materials. What is applied to metallic surfaces as a corrosion-resistant covering before the application of enamel or lacquer? Zinc chromate primer. What are the most common methods of applying aircraft finishes? Dipping, brushing, or spraying. What type of paint may be used over any paint system that is in good condition? Epoxy top coats will adhere to all the paint systems that are in good condition and may be used for touch-ups. What is normally the cause of runs and sags in a spray paint finish? Holding the gun for too long and too much paint being applied. What causes an orange peel or pebble finish? Incorrect air pressure, incorrect paint viscosity, and holding the gun too far from the work. What is used to thin zinc chromate primer? Toluene. Which federal regulation prescribes the size and location requirements for aircraft identification numbers? FAR Part 45.29. What type of materials should be thoroughly protected when using paint remover? Synthetic rubber surfaces, aircraft tires, fabric, and acrylics.